if you had a car dealership and I had a car dealership and we're across the street from each other, well, let's say that we both sell the same car. We both sell Mercedes-Benz. Okay, we both have a new Mercedes-Benz, and it's the same sticker price, right? Same price. Well, what I'll do is I'll say, hey, you could go buy it from Mike, Mercedes Mike across the street, right? Mercedes Mike, he got that same S55, whatever. But you buy it from me. You get the same car, same price. I can match that deal. But I throw on rims and a stereo system inside of mine, right? So now I'm offering bonuses on top of the same thing that's out there. Now, when there's bonuses on top of something, in addition to something, this is going to significantly help you in affiliate marketing. And these bonuses don't have to be crazy. It's just so simple. Just take the same thing that everybody else is selling and find a way to make your offer more exciting.